In this video, we will show you how to use Incogniton's team management feature. This feature allows you to share browser profiles with team members and assign different roles and permissions to each member. The first step is to create a new team member in your Incogniton account. Go to your account and navigate to the Team Management section. Click on New Team Member and a pop-up window will appear. Here you can fill in the details of the team member, such as the name, email address, and password. Next, you can choose what you want to do. Select permissions or assign a role. It's important to first create roles and permissions before you can assign them, so you can also choose to skip this part and create the team member right away. To create a new role, navigate to the tab Roles. Give the role a name and then configure the permissions associated with this role. There are several categories with permissions: General, Group, and Proxy Management. Click on the boxes to select or deselect the permissions and click on Save Role. After you created the new user and the user role, it's time to assign the role to the user. Go to the tab Permissions and select the team member and role from the drop-down menus. Click on Save Role Assignment, and now you're done. If you have any questions about this feature, don't hesitate to contact our support team. Thank you for watching this video.